Hello there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to generate your own presentations using Tome AI. First of all, you're going to head over to their website, and somewhere on the top right, you'll find the Try Tome option. Click it and then continue with your Google account. After that, just choose your role, hit next, and then type a name for your workspace. After that, hit the continue option. Just hit the basic option. Unless you want to upgrade to the Pro, which is $8 per month. The basic one is free for now. On the top right of your screen, hit the create option. And over here, you can choose what you want to make. If you scroll all the way down, you'll find a create presentation option. Over here, just type what you want to make the presentation about. For example, in a bit, it will generate you the main outline of it. You can actually drag these along to change which style is where in your presentation. For example, you have around 6 pages and you can change the order of these pages. You can also remove any of these or add your own one if you don't like these. Or you can completely regenerate it if you don't like any of these. If you like it, you can just head over to the continue option. And it will take some time, but it will generate you your own presentation. After it's done, it will also incorporate some images into your presentation. And down here, it will show you how many AI credits you have used for this presentation, which is 485 AI credits. If you don't like it, you can hit the try again option. Or if you do, you can just keep it. On the right, you can also change your theme. For example, right here you can change the theme of your presentation. You can also add some custom colors. And you can also just save the theme. You can also add separate themes for each individual page, but we're just going to keep it the same throughout for now. You can also move around these images or edit this. You can add images by uploading them or creating an AI image. Hit generate and wait for it to create. You can hit the advanced features and pop out something like a negative prompt, which is also found in Leonardo AI. It's the same over here. You can just type what you want to exclude from the image, but we're going to keep the prompt simple for now and hit generate. We're going to add this over here and close it. You can also record a narration, for example, You can add your own clips or recording over here, but you will have to grant Tome AI permission to use your camera and your microphone. You can also add tables over here, images and videos, or even GIFs if you want. After you're done, you can go to the top and then share your presentation. If you have the Pro feature, you can export it to PDF or add a logo to it. We're just going to hit the play button to see how it goes. Doesn't really do anything for now, but that sums up the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.